Hey, what's up, guys? So excited, I got a new car. It's my new car. That's Julian, my cousin Julian. My dad's here. It's all going good. Guess what, guys? I got a new car. It's my new car, boys. My new car, boys. Alright, guys, we're driving to the gas station.
Right now.
Seatbelt on. Yep. Okay, we're going to the gas station, guys. So, yeah, we're getting ready. Alright. My sister got out. We're at the gas station right now. Alright, guys. I don't know where we're going.
Buckle up, everybody.
Yeah, right. We're going on a ride.
Yeah, we're going on a ride.
Okay. Chill.
Guys, calm down.
This is my new car. Chill. Chill.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
Oh. Throw it on the trampoline. No, Gucci. Throw it out the window.
I gotta make sure I don't crash.
Hey, Jay, I won't talk.
Alright, just be quiet. So I can concentrate when I drive.
Yes.
I'm a good driver, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You know, we're just backing up.
I can back you. You need to say you throw it on the trampoline. There's no trampoline here.
I'm gonna get some.
Oh. Ow. Ow.
What was that? There we go.
Come on, go ahead. Stop.
Ow. Hey. Oh, you're pulling a log with us. A log's coming with us.
Am I good with that?
Yeah, two of them.
Two of them.
Oh. Can you drive this up and down the aisle?
No, this is not a toy. This is Sarah's car.
Dang it, you ruined my video.
You can X that out.
Come on.
Oh.
Stop.
No, we can X that out, you know that, right? X that. Let's watch that.
Guys, I was kidding. Not my car. It's not my car. I was kidding. But we were just moving logs with it. That's all we were doing. I pranked YouTube. Well, my viewers, I pranked you guys. But yeah, it's getting a little poopy out. Sorry that it's dark in here. You can't see me. We're in the hallway. But yeah, that was just a prank for you guys. That's not my car. I'm not even old enough to own a car. Actually, I am, but yeah. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you like that little prank. Peace out.